Hi, this is Dr. Graves with the CSUN Geography and Environmental Studies Department. This is a YouTube tutorial designed to help students learn to log on to ArcGIS Pro in 2023 using the new Apporto virtual desktop system at Cal State University Northridge. So use any browser or any search engine to search for myCSUNsoftware. Works best if you use 3 separate words. Click on the first link, scroll down and click on Access myCSUNsoftware Pilot, and you can read through this if you would like, but if you want to skip to the task at hand, click on Log In to Apporto, then click on Log In. You can bookmark this if you would like. Use your credentials to log in. Expect a duo push or other two-step confirmation. Click either of those options depending on where you are. And here you can expect to wait 30 seconds to a minute and a half as your remote desktop spools up. I have found that occasionally you need to click reload if this stalls. Click reload. I just did this moments ago and had no problem. So it's helpful sometimes to see when the software doesn't work or the web page doesn't work as you would like. Appears to have stalled again. I'm going to click reload once more. Finally, at almost 5 minutes into the video, I have the App Store loaded. I'm going to click on ArcGIS Pro 3.12 and select Launch. I suppose I can allow this. Click Allow. We've opened a browser tab for you to sign in, and this is what you want to do, is to come over here to this browser tab and type in CSUNGIS. Click Remember the URL and click Continue. It rolls you over to our license server. All students have an opportunity to use the software, so click California State University Northridge. Use your credentials once again to log in a second time. One more duo push, and that should be adequate. Excellent. So for the very first assignment, you will click here on Open Another Project, and in the search window in the upper right hand you should type in CSUN Graves and Introduction and press Enter to allow it to search. And what we want in this class in 2023 is to click Introduction to ArcGIS Arc Pro. We're going to use Arc Pro, this software here, all semester. Click OK. Notice that it has logged me into my account. and in 30 seconds to 1 minute, the map project will have loaded. If you are able to get to this spot, then you have to go to Canvas, open Lab 0, which this is Lab 0, and indicate to me that you were able to succeed. Once you've done this, then you should not have to go through quite as much in terms of logging in. The system will remember you, and you can go, you only log in once rather than twice. And once you've opened this map project, it should remain in the memory of ArcGIS Pro. This is also the point at which you begin Lab 1B, which asks you to, or shows you how to learn some of the basic functions of the software. You can you can click here on the X to close the catalog. Okay, so this ends this video tutorial.